half, we've heard many tales of extraordinary individual efforts, including teachers, healthcare workers, next-door neighbors who came up with various ways to support each other. I'm glad to say that today it's about us. It's about our cyclists, our partners, and our beneficiaries of Umeed Hazard. It's about their story of going the extra mile, and that too literally. So here's to Umeed Hazard.
We're going to have a fabulous cyclothon again this year. Kudos to all the cyclists who qualified. So I'll start with that because it's not easy to make up during a busy working day. This year, the cyclothon is the 8th edition. I'm also proud to say that after 7 years of running the Udbhav RBL School, and more importantly, the cyclothon, we won the Asia Money Award for 2021 for the best bank in CSR. I think that itself was a testimony of the good work that our teams have done. We also take pleasure amongst us. We have Mr. Sundar Iyer, the founder of Suryodaya, which is a special school in Nalasopara. He's accompanied by his partner, Dr. Ram Murthy. So this year we are adopting Suryodaya School, which will be now called Suryodaya Udbhav RBL School. This school is a special education school. So for us, this is a privilege because this year's cyclothon is extremely special. As I speak here, I also want to tell you that this cyclothon started earlier this month in November. And when we started, we did 100 kilometers in Bhubaneswar. We were hosted by KIIT, who's also a partner and a very well-reputed institution in education. And we launched it for 100 kilometers. Over the weekend, people have worked very hard to again qualify for 100 kilometers. So they've already done 200 kilometers, so a big round of applause for all the cyclists, without whom this event is actually a dampener. So I must thank everybody, including our co-partners, HDFC Life. You know, HDFC Life has been continuously supporting us. One is being a partner with RBL Bank on the banker side, but more importantly, seeing the value of CSR.
So we run a school for special children at Nalasopara. There was no school there for children. We have a wait list of 70 special children. There is no school either in east or west. You can imagine it's just 60 kilometers from the Mumbai airport. There is no special school there, right? So this building, what we'd put up, would help us to at least accommodate another 50 or 70 children, which should take care of the entire wait list. We've also done a digital rollout, which again is going to help us to see how do we try and extend it across Pan India. Thank you very much. Thanks again to RBL. Thank you very much.
You know, when you look at words like the 8th edition, alliance partners having worked alongside us, the Udbhav School in Hyderabad, and now Suryodaya. Welcome, Sundar. You know, this gives you a lot of strength. Especially the last 18 months hasn't been easy for, many of us, and some of us are privileged, to actually see that if you endure on partnerships, caring for one another, as well as looking towards the future. So it's a remarkable story, a remarkable parable, remarkable lesson in not just the endurance of the cyclist. And I've seen so many people over the last 6-7 years who are now looking fitter and can do many thousand kilometers. It's also the endurance of human spirit. COVID, last December when we met, COVID was at its low. I'm keeping fingers crossed, but notwithstanding that, so much work, so much effort has gone in over these years to maintain and build upon the work and ambition of Umeed 1000.
Father of a nation once said that you can shake the world very gently. And this morning, I think we have a bunch of people here who are ready to shake your world. And as been told earlier, I think this entire word inclusive is such a powerful word. We are including ourselves in this RBL journey. Similarly, I think you are including the entire disfranchised society into mainstream with what you're doing.
Now, this brings us to the most important part of this event, which is the flag off. So